In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a voice on ElevenLabs quickly and easily. If you've created custom voices or saved voices to your account and now want to clean up your library, this simple tutorial will walk you through the exact steps from start to finish. This is really helpful if you want to stay organized, remove voices you no longer use, or just keep your ElevenLabs workspace neat and easy to manage. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. It really helps the channel grow and it lets you know when new videos are posted. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is sign in to your ElevenLabs account. Go to the ElevenLabs website and log in with the account that has access to the voices you want to remove. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main dashboard. From here, look over to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see different options in the menu, and what you want to do is click on Voices. This section is where ElevenLabs keeps your voice-related tools and saved voice libraries. After opening Voices, select My Voices. This will bring up all the voices that are currently saved or created under your account. Now take a moment to find the voice that you want to remove. If you have a long list, scan through carefully so you don't delete the wrong one. This step is important because once a voice is removed from your list, you won't want to accidentally remove something you still need. Once you've found the voice, look to the right side of that voice entry for the three-dot menu, also called the More Actions button. Click the button next to the voice. A small menu will appear with additional options for that voice. In that menu, click Remove from My Voices. This is the option that removes the voice from your personal voice library. Depending on the interface, you may be asked to confirm your choice before the voice is deleted or removed, so go ahead and confirm if prompted. And that's it. The voice should now be removed from your My Voices list. If you want to clean up more voices, just repeat the same process for each one you no longer need. It only takes a few seconds once you know where everything is located. To quickly recap, sign in to ElevenLabs, open Voices from the left sidebar, select My Voices, find the voice you want to remove, click the three-dot More Actions menu and choose Remove from My Voices. That's the complete process. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.